Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. It's almost like it's 11 a.m. I'm getting ready to do lunch. I decided to make a breakfast sandwich. And just last minute decided to film it, share it with you. I've got bacon on the frying pan. That's how I like to cook it, the way I've always done it. I know there are other methods, but I go with the one that I like. I got my pan on standby. I'm going to do a couple of eggs. I'm going to toast some sourdough bread. And then enjoy my lunch. So, got some smoked Gouda cheese, which I bought for another video. And then I also got some Tillamook cheddar cheese, extra sharp, or sharp. I think extra sharp. It's either sharp or extra sharp. And yeah, so the bacon gets closer to being done. Alrighty, my butter this is unsalted butter in a non-stick pan. I use unsalted because I'm adding bacon, so I don't need more salt than I'm going to get. I've already got enough sodium and salt from the bacon. So, just waiting for it to finish melting. I got my toast dropped. I'm sure you guys know how to make toast. Might be a little bit much on the butter, but you know, whatever. Whatever. Actually, it would really bring a lot of flavor if I let that butter brown and do brown butter. But you can do this on English muffins too. I'm just using sourdough bread. That looks good enough. The yolk broke, but that's not a big deal because I was going to break them anyway. And I love breakfast foods. It's probably one of my favorite meals. And then break the yolks. I like a little pepper on mine. Or a bit of pepper. I really like pepper, so. Alright, decided to cut it off for a bit while it sets up. A lot of butter in this, but you know, butter is delicious, so. Kind of waiting on my toast. Did I mention I was a cook for 14 years? I don't know if I did that in the last clip. It's like walking into a room, I don't remember why I went in there. So. I had a few people comment on my flipping. My toast is done. There we go. Piece of cake. At this point, you're probably thinking, wow, it's a lot of cheese. And yeah, it is. I really like cheese, so. The arteries probably don't, but. Turn the heat off. And just take your spatula, cut it through. Yeah, that cheese is not even melted. You can soften it in the pan. It's a really thick cheese. I probably should just use one piece. Oh well. Normally the cheese I get is thinner, but I happen to get the and of course we're gonna add bacon. Simple, easy, excellent. There you go. Simple, bacon, 2 cheeses, artery clogger. Tell you what. So good though. Alright, so 2 words, freaking delicious. Clean the plate, very good sandwiches, simple to do. For those of you who are wondering, my last blood pressure check was 110/64, so just thought I'd throw that out there. My cholesterol wasn't too bad either, despite the diet that I eat. Although it doesn't help Mr. Belly, but you know, I would actually get a gym membership if I had the money. And so anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.